I changed the system a bit. I had tried to have 6 in one line and 3 in one column, but sometimes it worked and sometimes it didn't. So I told myself, as also there were some fields with 6 different languages. And I thought, but then it's not rewarding, because to do something in 6 languages, no matter what it is, takes 6 times as long as doing it in one language, which is logic. Why would I do that to me? So I decided, okay, 1 ebook and video is on 1 page. That's easy. Because, for example, 1000 verbs, which is a Polyglot Pocket Love It video, and Polyglot Pocket Love It is bilingual. For example, this ebook and video is in German English. So the text is in German and English, but the audio is only in German. Then in Google Drive I have a presentation. When I downloaded it, it's in Keynote, and I have to change the color of the background. And I record it in German with my GoPro for my channel Mona's SUV Reisen, so that people can find it through this channel as well, because I will tell them if they want to read along, they just have to go to Polyglot Pocket Love It. And then from the Keynote I can make the pictures, and then I go into iMovie, and I need the MP3. Okay. Instead of putting the GoPro here, and that's why I love this erasable pen, because it's giving me the opportunity to erase my arrows, and then when I failed, it's not a fail, it's just adjustment. So I will put the GoPro here. Because actually TikTok and Insta, I will use the same text in Insta as in TikTok, so I can put it in the same field. And here I will put the MP3, which is the audio. I need an audio, but no, I will change those 2, because from the Keynote I make a picture, and to make the video I also need an MP3. That's a logic order. So I have the German English text, and I have the text in the Google Drive presentation. When I download it, it is in Keynote, because I have a MacBook. From the Keynote I make the pictures. Then I have the audios from my native speakers, and then I go into iMovie and make the video. Then I upload it on YouTube. Then I put the link of the video on Patreon, and the link of Patreon on my Facebook page. And then I go to Shopify and upload the ebook. I have to make a PDF from it, from here. So I have to export it as pictures and also as a PDF. Yeah. And then I put it on Shopify, then I put it on eBay. Then these two links I put on a WordPress blog post. And this link to the blog post I put on Insta and TikTok. And then I can record the video, which will be published on my channel in the respective language. For example, in German it's Monas SUV-Reisen, and for English it's Park It Where You Love It, and so on. I have one of these channels for every language. So then I can tell people, look, this is how I this is how I pronounce these sentences, but it's not perfect because I'm not a native speaker. And so if you want to see the perfect version, then you can go to Polyglot Park It Love It. And then they will find the link to the video or to the blog post, I don't know, here in the video description. And for Polyglot Mona, which is monolingual, it's only in one language. One video is in one language, but then the same video exists in 6 languages. But they are other topics. They are not so much learning focused. They are more like telling something about either hiking, living in a car, happiness, health, relaxation, learning tips. So it's not about grammar and vocabulary, it's about a topic. And it's not bilingual, it's in one language, but the same video exists in 6 languages: German, English, French, Spanish, Italian and Russian. So the German video of this topic is first in Google Drive as a presentation. Then I copy it to Canva to design it. I have to make the GoPro video in the end, because from Canva I make the JPEG and the PDF. From Canva I make the pictures and the PDF. And I need an MP3, an audio, to make in iMovie the video. Then I upload it to YouTube. Then I put the link on Patreon, and I put the Patreon link on Facebook. Then I upload the ebook on Shopify and on eBay. Then I put the link of eBay and Shopify into a blog post on WordPress. Then Insta and TikTok is together because I use the same text for both. And then I will record the video where I'm speaking and no text is being shown, just me talking. And then SwiftUI. So in SwiftUI I program my app, and my app should contain all the ebooks and videos that I have in all the languages. So from the beginning I want to put those links into the app, and I hope it works. Also, I want to put the link to the ebook in the app. So Swift UI is really the last step, and I hope it works, because I want people to see the ebook below the video if they want to. They can also only watch the video, but if they want both on one screen, I want them to have it like that. I don't know if it makes sense at all, but maybe I should only give them the ebook and the video, and they can choose which one they want to look at or watch. Yeah. There's someone coming. It's a forest parking lot, and there may be people who want to take a walk. Yeah. So that's all. I wish you a wonderful evening. Bye bye.